How's it going, eh? So today we're going on our pig roast of this summer of 2021. So we're just going to do a short one because I taught you how and just posted it several months ago about how I do it. But this time we're doing just a little quick one. So we did the cleanup of our oven place. We have our expanded metal with our chimney all the way underneath and our stove over there. Now we're prepping the pig. So Cora, always my favorite daughter-in-law, right? Well, at least for a long time, because you do have a baby brother, but it'll be at least a decade. You have to be, yeah.
And then even still, maybe.
Probably still will be. So Cora's learning how we do the prep. And then, so what we're going to do is split the pelvis so that it opens up. And then we're actually going to split inside the spine so that the hog, instead of laying it'll open up, and they call that butterfly. So we'll just cut the pelvis here. Yeah. So now it folds open, right? Like that. And then if you spread both of those feet, then what we'll do is we'll split right along the ribs on both sides with it. This episode is sponsored by Fiskars and Chevron.
And Black Card Construction.
And Black Card Construction. Shout out to all you guys. So what we're doing is just cutting right beside the spine on the ribs, right?
I have the salt.
Okay, that's it. So now all we're going to do is put some spices in here, and then we're going to flip it over and put some spices and stuff on the bottom.
Oh, look how much fat is in there.
Yeah. Healthy. Do you want some fresh lard? Okay, let's put some spices in. I think this is seasoning salt, pepper, salt, mostly salt, lots of salt, and some sugar, some brown sugar, but not lots.
The things you put in your mouth then. Not too long ago, he put an entire frog in his mouth. Like alive.
Yeah, but I didn't keep it there. I just tricked you. I let the frog go. Wasn't like...
It was still in your mouth.
Yeah, but you think how traumatized he was. So you think you were worried about it? How about him?
He was a frog.
Right. He was worried.
Yeah, he thought he was getting eaten.
He thought he was being predatored.
I don't think that's a word.
Ask him.
Yeah, I'll just go and do that.
We didn't weigh this pig. It probably is in the 200-pound range. Something like that. Anything else? Good enough. Camera rolling?
Yep.
Pig rolling too. Okay, so now we're going to lay it on its belly, right? And does it need to go that way a bit?
Yeah.
Not much. Probably close here. Yeah, you pull that foot in there.
It's got a little imprint on its back.
Okay, putting the bricks around the pig, and we'll put the lid on, get the fire going, get her smoking.
We seasoned it up.
Oh yeah, so we cut a bunch. He cut a bunch of crisscrossing in the skin, and then seasoned the skin up on the hide, so that it'll be ready to soak in and it won't stretch too far. Okay, so we're ready to put. Okay, we're ready to put the lid on the pig. There, we've got the 1 thermometer probe in the shoulder. We'll put another one in the ham, and we'll get her cooking. And then we have a thing that will be hanging in to watch our oven temperature. Then get the fire going and start the process. Be quiet! I'm making a freaking video. Shut your pie hole.
I love you too, Dad. The women in your life.
So it's 6:30 in the evening. Got the fire going. She's just starting to smoke. What do we got for an oven temperature up there? Do you want your knees are too bad, or do you want me to? 350. It's done. Okay, so get out of the way, Marcos. I'm gonna go that end. And then...
Benny, come here.
Wrong side, Max. Go to that side. That's where you'll be able to see.
Look at that metal. There it is.
Rest in peace.
Okay, watch out. I'll take the bricks, and then you can see the whole thing.
No, he's gonna rest in pieces.
You feel the heat coming off of it.
Stack them all right there in front of where she's.
Right here. Yeah, and we can just do all these front ones up here too. There you go. So how big was the pig, Dad?
About 200 pounds.
About 200 pounds? Just a little lighter than you?
But not as light as my watch.
There you go. Look how beautiful that is.
What else can see?
It's cooked very nice. Do you want me to keep going?
Yeah.
Here, I'm going to get down a bit.
The worst case of sunburn I've ever seen. Smiling, you see that? He's happy. He died happy. He died happy.
All right. Do you have any final words, Dad?
Hey, where's Son?
That's the worst sunburn you ever seen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll pull the hide back and.
Pig, you got crunched up.
It's like fun, doesn't it?
Okay, so we'll pull from here. Yeah, no, let's pull that back there. Okay. Okay, then take one.
And just look how easy that just tears. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
And it's delicious too, so it's worth the wait. So how long has this been cooking, Dad?
24 hours.
24 hours of cooking. And you get this beautiful charred, soft meat. And there you go. There's your final. That's how easy that is to tear off. Isn't that crazy? Just beautiful.
Some folks like ham hocks, some folks like pork chops, some folks like vegetable soup.
Very nice.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
So I think
Well, this is the biggest one.
Okay, you're going now.
that's crazy. Yeah, they just come apart.
Completely comes apart.
Okay, so we want that quarter and then a big chunk of the ribs or the shoulder. Or what's the best?
Whatever you think. Yes,
So set your pan there. Okay, and then ribs or shoulder, what's better?
not sure what's better. Don't taste good.
He's like, it all tastes good to you, right? Look at that. You just throw right in there. Yummy. Look how perfect that's cooked.
I'll hold it. You're gonna put your tin foil on.
Just perfect.
Okay, got that side.
That
look
is
how-
amazing.
Isn't that so good? It just smells so delicious. Like the bones are so clean.
That's it.
That's all the bones in the whole
That'll
thing.
do. Yep, that's it. For the
That's
bones
it.
for that. Okay, well, I'll
There you
start.
go. Success, Dad?
Yeah. Hey, stand behind me and then I'll show you. This is the rib area here.
That's the rib area. Look at that.
Yeah, they're just.
Just comes right off the bone.
That smells so good.
Yeah. So there's the ribs. Here's the shoulder.
It just comes off. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that. What do you think,
There's the
Elijah?
rest of the shoulder.
Looks very tender.
It is
Oh,
very
it's very
tender.
tender. Yeah, that looks good to me. So it's cooked.
There you go. It's cooked all the way through. Look how delicious that is. What do you think, buddy? You excited? It looks good.
First try.
First try, how does it taste? Thumbs up. 24-hour cooked pig. Our little cinder block oven. Welcome to the Hash Family Pig Roast.
But this one